It's a really beautiful, well-crafted butcher knife, 7-inch cut, high carbon stainless steel blade. You could even hooked it up and hang it up right there. Really nice and nice little flex, but not too much of flex. I got it a couple days right now, and it's a really good butcher knife. You could use this to chop meats, fish, veggies, whatever you like. Check this out, thin slice. Look at that, very thin, sharp, whatever you want. It cuts the meats and everything really nice and easy. Really, with no kind of pressure, cuts right away. Really good. Just be careful with your hand and stuff like that, but thin. Look at it. I'm just going to show you this. Look. Sharp. See that? Cut your meat, your veggies, everything into thin slice. Look at this. Super thin. It's very affordable. And comes with all this stuff right here. And as I said, Father's Day, birthday, Christmas gift. If you're looking for something very simple, and you know most people cook, so this right here is, I think it's a really good gift. Any question, comment below. And thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Please check in the description box for price and details. All my links will take you directly to Amazon. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button. It's 100% free. I give you honest, real reviews. See the product, learn about the product before buying it.